Hi there guys, this Mike Strong here at M&L Motors, Commercial Vehicle Security Specialist. What we've got here is just what we mentioned in the previous video about the Ford Fiesta door handle. Just wanted to show you that we've actually got one. This is from a Transit Custom, a Transit Connect. It's exactly the same as what's fitted on the Ford Focus. It's just a generic handle that's used virtually throughout the Ford range. As I say, it's fitted on the Transit Connect, it's fitted on the Ford Ranger, it's fitted on the Ford Focus, the Ford Cougar, Ford C-Max, Ford Galaxy. It's pretty much a generic handle. This is just a basic one. It's unpainted. You know, they usually come body, matched to the body colour, but it makes no difference. The handle and the lock assembly is still the same regardless of the vehicle it's fitted on. So what we're going to do with this one is we're going to do exactly the same as what we done with the one from the Fiesta. We're going to remove this lock and we're going to replace it with our high security replacement key, and just give you an idea of what that will look like when it's fitted in the lock, just so you can see that it is compatible with these handles as well. So we'll pause the video, we'll get that swapped over, and we'll give you a quick look once that's done. Hi there guys, so as you can see now, we've replaced the original Ford lock in this door handle. As I say, it's just a generic handle used throughout most of the Ford range. The Ford Transit Connect, Ford Focus, Ford Cougar, Ford C-Max. It's like I say, pretty much a generic handle. And as we can see, as before, we just insert the key as normal, and you can see it just works completely as normal. The visual deterrent on these locks alone is enough to deter most thieves. Certainly if you've got this fitted on a Transit Connect, very, very susceptible to the kind of attack as we mentioned on the previous video with the Fiesta door handle. They come along, they just stick a screwdriver in it, pop the dust cap off the lock, leaving the actual cylinder exposed, and then they just take a cordless drill the lock out. It takes absolutely seconds to get into your vehicle with this kind of attack. At least, if your would-be thieves come along and they see this kind of lock installed, the chances are they're not even going to bother. They're just going to move on. They're going to go to the next vehicle. The owners of that vehicle might not be so fortunate and have this kind of system installed. As I say, we have also been getting some phone calls recently from customers with higher end Fords. Like I say, like the RS uses exactly the same door handle. The Fiesta ST, the Focus ST, the very, very desirable vehicles for thieves at the moment. We can fit this lock in those vehicles, and like I say, we currently do an upgrade package with an OBD protector, and we can fit a tracker at the same time. We offer trackers from several different manufacturers. Best thing to do is come and speak to us. Let us know what it is you're after, and we can give you some advice as to what we think is the best solution to your problem. What you'll find now is quite a lot of insurance companies, if you was to go and buy a Focus ST or an RS, a Fiesta, anything along the more desirable range of that sort of vehicle, the insurers are actually insisting that you get some kind of OBD protection, and you need to at least have a tracker installed in the vehicle. Come and speak to us about that. That's certainly something we can do, no problems at all. The OBD protection system that we're offering at the moment, we actually provide two different types of OBD protection. One is a physical hard case made from hardened steel, and it actually we actually take the OBD connector and put it inside a steel case, and these cases are virtually bomb proof. They are pretty much impregnable due to the size of it and where it's located in the vehicle, and that is secured with a high security tubular like Loctite key. If that's not your cup of tea, you don't fancy that, we've also got the only Fatcham Category 2 approved electronic immobiliser system that's currently available on the market. If you want us to get that installed for you, we've done a previous video on that when we installed it into a 2015 Renault Traffic van. You want to check that video out and have a look at it and see how it operates. It's a very, very simple system to use, and we can couple that with a tracker and this, and you know, we can offer you quite a good reduction in the price of the parts and the fitting as part of the package. So if it's something you're interested in getting, even if it's just the lock on its own, or you're interested in part of the package or the full package, or you know, we can tailor make packages to suit any vehicle. Get in touch with us at the website www.mnlmotors.co.uk, or the telephone is 01903 718 241. Thanks very much for listening.